In front of me is Sharp Aquos R2, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on the following device. So first of all, you need to unlock developer mode. So just open the settings, go to About Phone, and 7 times click on build number. Then just draw your unlock pattern, and now you can reach developer mode under system settings. Then go to the advanced and click developer options. Scroll a bit lower, and here you've got automatic system updates. So just mark the switcher, and from now on it is active. So this is it, that will be all. So you can quickly, smoothly and easily activate auto updates in your Sharp Aquos R2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.